Hello and welcome. Today we're at the Fauquier Education Farm. We're here with Mr. Jim Hankins, the Executive Director of the farm. Jim, thanks for letting us come out and talk to you today on this very rainy day. What are we going to talk about?
You know, every farmer loves rain, and I am just absolutely thrilled about this particular rainstorm. And it was a perfect time. I had a group of volunteers this morning, and we've set out several thousand transplants. They had gotten a little bit leggy, a little bit big. If I had done that on a 95-degree sunny day, they'd be dead this afternoon. Taking advantage of weather like this is the right thing to do in the garden. It's the best thing to do for your plants. You know, it might look kind of sad right now because they've just come out of the seed trays, but I feel that these plants are getting their very best leg because I was willing to work in the rain this morning.
Exactly, and you know from the weather report that maybe tomorrow it might be a little overcast and rainy too, and that's perfect conditions for these to really do well.
Transplants are really, really sensitive, you know, and every plant that you put into the ground is going to go through what we call transplant shock. At first, even if you've got a whole lot of water there, it's going to look a little sad. But if you've got a whole lot of water, if you've got a good overcast rainy day, that's the best time to put your plants out.
It really helps those young plants. And sadly enough, I do see some gardeners sometimes that are just planting their transplants in the afternoon. It's 90 some degrees.
Yep.
And it's by the time they're going to have a lot more trouble growing and doing well than these plants that you.
Absolutely, and you know, it's actually a beautiful thing to get the right attitude and go on out in the rain, and you know, your garden will love it, and you know, you're going to maximize your chances of success.
Well, that's great. Good advice for the home gardener, Jim. Thanks so much again for letting us come out today and talk about planting in the rain.
I'm proud, you know, I can hear these little seedlings singing in the rain.
There you go. Well, for more information about timing and planting in your garden, contact your local county extension office and talk to a master gardener. For From the Ground Up, I'm Chris Mullins. We'll see you next time.